Hey, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Got your SynthCarbon window visors.
Oh, sick, man. I appreciate that. So in today's video, we are gonna go ahead and showcase these beautiful SynthCarbon pieces, courtesy of SynthCarbon. Again, this video is brought to you by them, and I'm very grateful to actually give you guys my honest review and thoughts of what I think of these pieces. Now, from the touch, these pieces are definitely super lightweight, and that's because of its full carbon composite design, as you guys can see, from back to front, and it's definitely got that nice aesthetic feel, especially if anybody's trying to add some style or pizzazz to their car. The weed on this is definitely beautiful. They definitely ceramic coat this as well, so you guys don't have to worry about these getting blemished in the sun or anything like that. The ceramic coat definitely takes care of that, and as you guys can see, we actually put this on my girl's car, so it looks aesthetically really nice, and if you pair it off with any other aesthetic parts you have, it'll definitely look real good. Now, they do come with a 3M tape that you guys can go ahead and apply in about these 3 sections that I show here in the video, and it will definitely make it a lot easier to just go ahead and stick it on the car and be set to go. Just make sure you do it within hot temperatures so that way the adhesive has time to stick. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and come to a complete conclusion of today's video. Again, huge shout out to SynthCarbon for sending a pair of these to us. I was glad to go ahead and showcase and review these for you guys. But if you do want to pick these up yourselves, go ahead and check it out in the description below. On top of that though, I am actually gonna be giving a pair of these window louvers as well to one of you guys. So it's easy to enter, just make sure you actually have an Instagram, just because it's the best way for me to communicate to the winner. But yes, an Instagram guys, it's free to make. Just make sure that you actually like this video, follow me on Instagram, and then comment in the section below your Instagram and a reason why you guys deserve these. I will go ahead and pick a winner next week, and then once we get that winner, I will go ahead and send these off to you guys. Now, I hope you guys like the new quality and kind of revamp to the channel. I know I've been kind of MIA, I've been popping a video here and there, but I feel like I've just been trying to find the fine-tuned quality and entertainment that I want to give you guys. So again, thank you guys for the consistent love and support. We're gonna definitely come back with a lot more videos, and especially umping up the quality now that I've kind of figured out everything and fine-tuned everything on how I want it to be. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, and as always, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, family. Copy your PhongPack merch at phongpack.com too if you guys want to support the channel, and see you guys in the next one.
And it goes a little